How to use promo code with the Fetch app. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to do that. First thing you have to do is go ahead and open up the Fetch app and make sure to log into your account. But once you are logged in, you have to make sure you do this before you scan your first receipt. So go ahead and tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. And once you get to the bottom right corner, you have an option for GoodRx coupons. Just tap on it. And if you've already saved your coupons, you could find it here on your saved coupons. If not, you could just go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for your coupons. Tap on any one of these and you're going to have to enter your zip code. So once you have the code, you should be able to use it to earn more points. So if you tap on points activity, you can click on start earning, and here you can allow your camera access to scan your receipt. So you can align your receipt to scan, and once it has been verified, you could get different points. You could also tap on this play option at the top to earn points by playing games. And if you are on your home screen, you can use those points to get more rewards. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.